Hello there, this is Rishikesh again. In my previous video, we understood what ServiceNow is at a high level. In this video, I'm going to explain the ServiceNow platform, what it actually consists of, and main modules. You'll hear about when you start learning ServiceNow. If you are a beginner and feeling confused by too many terms like ITSM, HRSD, ITOM, then this video will give you a clarity. Yeah. When people say ServiceNow platform, they don't mean a single application. Yeah. What it means actually, ServiceNow consists of multiple applications. Yeah. But within a single platform. So the ServiceNow platform is a single cloud-based foundation on which multiple applications and modules are built. Think of the ServiceNow platform like a smartphone operating system, and the operating system is base, and the different apps run on the top of it. Yeah. So similarly, ServiceNow provides one platform and modules like ITSM, HR, security, all runs on the same platform. This is why ServiceNow is called a platform, not just a tools. At the core, the ServiceNow platform provides some common compatibilities that all modules use. So we have database, we have workflow engine, we have user interface, we have security and access control. Yeah. So all data is stored in the centralized database, like incidents, requests, users, all lives in the same systems. Yeah. And workflow engine, ServiceNow can automate the steps like approvals, assignments, and the notification with the help of workflows, flow designer, lifecycle event, and various other workflow engine. Yeah. We have a user interface which provides a web-based user interface that users and agents works on. So we have a web-based and we have a native-based UI for the agents and users both can work together. In the security and access control, different users sees the different things based on their roles. Yeah, it's not like that everyone sees the all data, all users can see all incidents. No, like that it doesn't work. Yeah, so you can see your incident if you are just an employee, but if you're an agent, you can see the all incidents, all cases based on your department, based on your group that where you belong. Yeah, we also have the integrations. ServiceNow can connect with other tools like a email system, monitoring tools, HR system, and much more. Yeah, we can bring the details into the ServiceNow. We can send the details outside from ServiceNow, and that's why the integration works. And it is a third party, and with the help of REST message, SOAP, and the other LDAP and JDBC, we can utilize within a ServiceNow to integrate with the other system. Now you don't need to understand this technically right now, just to know that all modules are share these capabilities. Yeah. Okay, now let's talk about the modules. So, what are modules in ServiceNow? A ServiceNow modules is a set of application and design a specific business function. Consider as each module solve a problem for a particular team, such as IT, HR, security, or customer support. Let's go to the most common ServiceNow modules one by one. Yeah. So ITSM helps the IT team manage everyday IT operations. Yeah. So when a user asks for something like a new laptop, a change is about modifying a system safety, yeah, or a problem management looks like where we are going for to find out the root causes, yeah, and knowledge management, which where we can store our the known issues, known errors, and some kind of guidance policies where we can use the knowledge management. Also, with the help of asset and configuration management, we can store the information of the assets where we can do the request, or we can raise an incident of the assets or the CMDB configuration manage with the help of configuration management. Yeah, CI items. Most ServiceNow jobs and projects involve ITSM in some way. That's about the ITSM. Now we have the HRSD, Human Resource Service Delivery. HRSD used by HR teams, yeah, and which delivers faster, consistent HR services across the employee life cycle. Yeah, employee onboarding, offboarding policy, questions, salary related request. Instead of emails and manual tracking, everything goes through a service now. Important concept here is HRSD uses the same platform compatibility as ITSM but for HR processes. So both department, IT and HR works together within a single platform. Huh? So HRSD uses by HR team to manage the employee lifecycle, and the HR request is core definitions of HRSD and its primary purpose. Yeah, we have employee onboarding, offboarding, common lifecycle processes handled by HR team. Yeah, under the HRSD. Policy questions and salary related requests, also typical HR requests that routed through the HRSD. Some HRSD uses the so HRSD uses the same platform compatibility as ITSM but applies them to the HR processes. Likewise, HRSD and ITSM, we have ITOM also, yeah. Another module which is IT operation management, yeah. ITOM is more focused on infrastructure and operations, high level. Uh, it helps organization understand what servers, applications, and systems they have. Yeah, ITOM provides a visibility and monitoring. This module is usually handled by experienced team, which is IT operation team. Yeah. Also, we have capabilities to do the discovery and and discovers the our IT related assets, the softwares, the hardware, all servers, all applications, all systems within an organizations. Another modules we see in the service now, which is a CSM and a SecOps. Yeah. So CSM is the customer service management. Yeah. It is used by a support team to manage the customer issues. Very similar concept to ITSM, but focused on customers instead of internal users. Yeah. SecOps, security operations, is used by the security team to respond to the threats. It integrates security alerts and incidents into the workflow. Yeah, you don't need to learn this immediately. It's just for information that how ServiceNow is big within a one platform, and you'll gradually, slowly learn everything. Yeah. Sh- Now, how modules works together. The powerful part of ServiceNow is that all modules work on the same platform. Core advantage, unified platform, reduced duplication, and simplified management. Yeah. An employee onboarding process might involve HR, IT, and facilities, all coordinates in one system. This removes silos between the teams. Which module should beginner starts with? Yeah. I would say starts with ITSM, the best first module for beginner. Yeah, focus your learning on ITSM to build strong fundamentals and job readiness. Yeah, if you are a beginner, do not try to learn everything at once. Start with ITSM. Yeah, if you ask me why, the concepts are easier, more learning materials is available, more job opportunities out there. Yeah, so go ahead with the ITSM. Okay, what is next? Learn ITSM with ServiceNow. Yeah, subscribe for deeper ServiceNow lessons. In the next video, I'll go deeper into the ITSM and explain how beginners should start learning ServiceNow. If these videos helps you, subscribe to the ServiceNow Simplified. Yeah. By the way, I'm Rishikesh, and on this channel, ServiceNow Simplified, I'll explain ServiceNow concept step by step for beginner. Thank you, and sign off for today.